What's going on, everyone? It's your boy, Chili's Vids. You know what time it is? It's time to learn. We're going to explore a few reasons why AMC ran up this week, and then hopefully you'll walk away from this video learning something. Was it cost to borrow? Was it all the naked shorts? Was it all of the apes buying and holding? What could have caused this run? Well, just to be clear, cost to borrow has literally no relevance on anything, as it can be gamed between interbank lenders and negotiated under the table. So as far as hyping up the cost to borrow, there's really no point to do it. Before we begin, I want to just point out that just by simply observing markets alone, you will be absolutely astonished at what you will learn. It's truly amazing. For instance, what you're looking at here is gap charting. I've noticed over time that if you plot gaps on the chart, it helps identify support and resistance levels, which can be beneficial for intraday trading. Also, take note of this AMC chart. As I just mentioned, it can serve as a very helpful guide to identify support and resistance. But that's not the reason why AMC saw upwards movement this week. Let's get into it. Now, to get into it, and don't worry my dudes, I'll make this brief so you can get back to your day. But the reason why AMC ran up this week, on top of hitting gap support, we're right smack dabble due in the middle of the short settlement window. That's right. If you go to Google and just type FINRA short settlement, it should be the first result that populates. If you save this link, there's actually pre-scheduled windows of short interest reporting that must be met, which contribute to the upwards movement of markets, and especially any securities with decent short interest percent of float. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, gay? No cool, no gay, Anyways, to read the short settlement, just look between the settlement date and the due date, and those are your short windows. Sorry, I fixed my voice to sound less gay and sassy. Hopefully, now we can be friends. Huh, just kidding. Anyways, now that we know when the short settlement windows are, we can simply go and look at the previous dates listed and see what happened to AMC during those windows. Cool! Now look here at this chart. I've marked the settlement windows that have occurred this year. Isn't that crazy? It's hit every single day. Now why isn't anyone on social media talking about this or hyping short settlement windows? They're pre-scheduled. Must be because of one reason. They're not as retarded as me. Mwahaha. Anyways, hope you learned something here. My wife is back with Panda Express, and I must go and gorge myself. Laters.